Hello student, how are you? I am Arun sir. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Today in this class, I will teach you how to convert the graph from one form to another form. Student, if you watch my video regularly and follow my class attentively, then I can assure you that you must crack the IIT exam and NEET exam confidently with a good rank. Now let's start about the class. How to convert the graph from one form to another form. Okay, now suppose vt graph of a particle is given. Suppose this is a vt graph. V t meter per second, this is second. Now suppose this is straight line 2 4 6. Okay, now this is suppose 6 or this is 8. Now you have to convert, this is vt graph, you have to convert at graph and xt. Find the at and xt graph. First, what you have to do here, this is 0 given, x equal to 0 when t equal to 0, this is given, and from the graph we obviously know that v equal to 0 when t equal to 0. These two conditions are given. Now we have to find the equation and then we can find at and xt. The equation between v and t, so what is in time 0 to 2 second, what is the equation? This is a straight line passing through the origin, so the equation will be y equal to mx. Now here y is along v, so this v m, what is m? m is slope of the line, which is equal to tan theta. So if this is theta, tan theta equal to what? Tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So this is 4 into x. What is x? X is along t, so v equal to 40. So this is the equation. Now from 2 to 4 second, what is the equation? Equation is v equal to constant, v equal to 8. Now 4 to 6 second, what is the equation? Now here the equation is negative slope, theta is greater than 90, that is negative slope, and slope, this is 4, negative slope, and equation will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y, that is v minus x1 y1, the what is the point here? Point is 6 comma 0, that is x1 6 y1 0. So this is v minus v1, that is 0, equal to m. Here negative slope of this line equal to minus slope that is 8 by 2, because this is 2 and this is 8 by 2, that is minus 4. So slope is here minus 4 into x means t minus t, x1 means 6. So this is the equation, v equal to minus 40 plus 6. So this is the equation. So first you have to find the equation between v and t, then we can calculate at. First we draw the at graph. So v equal to 40. So what is the a equal to, we know dv dt, a equal to dv by dt, that is 4. So within the range 0 to 2 second, what is the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to 4. Within 2 to 4 second, what is the acceleration? Velocity is constant, so acceleration equal to dv by dt, that is 0. So 2 to 4 second acceleration is 0, and 4 to 6 second, what is the equation? Equation is this, So acceleration equal to dv by dt, that is minus 4. So minus 4, that is 4, 0 to 2 second acceleration is 4, 2 to 4 acceleration is 0, and 4 to 6 acceleration minus 4. So we can draw the AT graph. AT graph will be suppose this is A, this is T, negative. So 0 to 2 time slot is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. Okay, now 0 to 2, what is the acceleration? Acceleration equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4, this is acceleration, and 2 to 4 gap acceleration is 0. So 2 to 4 gap acceleration is 0. This gap, this is discontinuous graph, and 4 to 6 second, what is the acceleration? Minus 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4, that is this. So this is the AT graph. Now we have to find the XT graph. We have to calculate the equation of x with t. So this is the Vt equation. So to find XT graph, V equal to 40. Now V equal to dx by dt, dx equal to 40 dt, that is x equal to t square, 4t square by 2t square, plus a constant term is given. Now t equal to 0, x equal to 0, so c equal to 0. So that is equation is x equal to 4t square by 2, that is 2t square. So equation is x equal to 2t square. Now so 0 to 2 second, what is the equation? Equation is x equal to 2t square, 0 to 2 second. Now 2 to 4 second, what is velocity? Velocity is equal to 8. So v equal to dx by dt, equal to 8, that is dx equal to 8 dt, that is x equal to 8t, plus constant term is will be 0, because t equal to 0, x equal to 0 given, so k equal to 0. So now here equation is 8t. Now to 6 second, what is equation? Equation is v equal to minus 40 plus 6, which is equal to dx by dt equal to minus 40 plus 6. So x equal to minus 2t square plus 60, plus constant term is 0, because t equal to 0, x equal to 0. So if we integrate dt, and if we integrate this, and t equal to 0, x equal to 0, at t equal to x, if we apply this, then we get this equation. So x equal to minus t square by 2, that is minus 2t square plus 60. So this is the equation. So now we get the equation. Now we can draw the graphs. This x equal to 2t square in this range, x equal to 8t in this range, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6 equation is this. So 3 equation we get, this, and this. Now we have to draw, now we can draw xt graph. So what is xt graph? Here I write x equal to 2t square, x equal to 8t, and x equal to, these are the equation. Now we can draw the xt graph. Now we can draw the xt graph. What is the xt graph? So x the t, now 0 to 2, 4, 6, x equal to 2t square, the graph is parabola. So parabola, the graph will be this, Now the parabola graph will be this, but this portion is, as t is not negative, this portion is cancelled. This portion is cancelled. As time cannot be negative, so this portion is cancelled. So graph is this 0 to 2. Now x equal to 80 in the range 2 to 4. X equal to 80 is a straight line passing through the origin. So this will be when t equal to 2, when t equal to 2, 4 into 2, 8. This is 8. This is 8. Now 16. So this is a discontinuous graph. The graph will be this, like this, 2 to 4. So 2 to 4, the graph becomes straight line. This is a parabola, this is a straight line, and 4 to 6, this is become 4 to 6, 4 to 6, this also parabola, but this parabola as coefficient of t square is negative, so its opening will be towards the negative x-axis, and it is a parabola, so this becomes like this way, 4 to 6, so like this way. We have to consider just 4 to 6. A part of parabola is like this, so graph will be like this way. First portion is parabola, this second portion is straight line 2 to 4, and 4 to 6 also parabola, but its opening will be towards the negative y-axis, that is negative x-axis, here negative x-axis. So the third part is like this. So here curve will be discontinuous, curve may be discontinuous, as acceleration at graph be discontinuous, so xt curve may be discontinuous, because at same time there are not two displacement. So this is a discontinuous graph, but curve will be like this. Suppose a vt graph is given, find its at graph and xt graph. Find its at graph and xt graph. Vt graph is given, find its at graph and xt graph. So now we have to find the equation of v with t. So what is the equation? This is a straight line which is in intercept form. We know in coordinate geometry, I have shown in another video how to write the equation of the straight line. Now this is a straight line in intercept form 4. So equation is x by, this is a, this is b, this is x by a plus y by b equal to 1 in this form. Here equation will be v by 4, that is v by 4 plus t by 4 equal to 1. So like this, here equation will be this in intercept form. So from this we get v equal to 4 minus t, v equal to 4 minus t. So now acceleration equal to, we know, dv dt, dv by dt, that is 0 minus 1. So acceleration equal to minus 1, a equal to minus 1. So at graph will be, if this is a, this is t, meter per second square second, so graph will be minus 1, that is negative minus 1. Suppose this is minus 1, so graph will be this is 4, graph will be this, at graph will be this. Now we have to find the xt graph, so now we have to find the xt graph given we have to find the xt graph. Now v equal to, equation is v equal to 4 minus t dx dt, dx equal to this, integrate dx equal to 4 minus t dt, integrate, so t equal to 0, x equal to 0 at t x, so this becomes x minus 0, 40 minus t square by 2, so x equal to this, 40 minus t square by 2, so x equal to 40 minus t square by 2, this is the equation. Now suppose this, now this is suppose t, this is x, now 40 minus t square by 2 equal to 0, that is t 4 minus t by 2 equal to 0, that is t equal to 0 at 2 point, this is a 1 point and another point is this equal to 0, that is t equal to 8, so another point is 8. Now the curve pass, this is a parabola, this is a parabola, equation of this is a parabola, and if coefficient of t square is negative, if then the curve will be parabola but its opening will be negative x axis, this way. Now VT graph we have to draw only up to 4 seconds, this will be the symmetrical up to 4, so this is the 4, we cut this part, we cut this part, so the curve will be like this way, because we have to draw up to 0 to 4. Now at t equal to 4, what is the distance travel, x equal to 4 into 4 minus 4 square by 2, that is 16 minus 8, that is 8, so this when t equal to 4, x equal to 8, so this is the xt graph, suppose and suppose this is 0 to 2, 4 to 6, p to t, VT graph of a particle or body is given, find its V, find its A T graph and XT graph, find its AT graph and XT graph, equation of V with T. Now what is this? We know this is a parabola x and y, so in this form we know x square equal to ky, here here y is along V and x is along t, so t square equal to k into y, means V. Now we have to find the value of k, so when t equal to 2, 8 equal to V, so that is 4 equal to k into 8, that is k equal to half, so equation is t square equal to half into V, that is V square equal to, that is V equal to 2t square. So this way we get the equation of the parabola, V equal to 2t square, k equal to half, now put here k equal to half, V equal to 2t square, so we get V equal to 2t square, this is a equation of the parabola, V equal to 2. Now we know acceleration equal to dv by dt, so this is equal to 40 acceleration equal to 40. Now this is in the gap 0 to 2 second. Now in 2 to 4 second, what is the velocity? Velocity equal to 8, constant, which is constant, v equal to 8, so acceleration equal to 0 in the interval 2 to 4 second. Now 4 to 6 second, what is the equation of v with t? Now this curve passes through the point 6, 0, 0, and the slope of this line m equal to minus tan theta, which is equal to 8 by 2, that is minus 4. So equation of this line will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here y is along v, so v minus y1, that is 0, equal to m is minus 4, x is t minus x1 is 6. So this is the equation. So equation becomes v equal to minus 40 plus 6. This is the equation. Now what is the acceleration? Acceleration equal to dv by dt. So we get minus 4 minus 4. So acceleration equal to minus 4. So 40, 0 and minus 4. Now we can easily write the AT graph. So the AT graph will be, this is A, this is T. AT graph will be A equal to 40, A equal to 40. So this is a straight line. The graph is this. T equal to 2, 8, acceleration equal to 8, and A equal to 0 in 2 to 4 second, A equal to 0 at 2 equal, this is the discontinuous graph. 2 to 4 second acceleration is 0, and 4 to 6 minus 4, 4 to 6 second acceleration is minus 4, so minus 4. So graph will be this and this. Obviously this is discontinuous graph, this. So this way, first we write the equation, we write the equation, then we can draw the graph. Suppose this is x, this is v, v versus x graph is given, this is origin. Now suppose this is 2, 4. Now what is the x graph, x graph, what is the x graph, and what is the x graph of this equation? So first find we the equation of v with x. First find we equation of v with x. Now what is the equation? Equation will be v by 4 plus x by 2 intercept form. With the help of intercept form, we can write the equation of the straight line. So v by 4 this. Now v by 4 equal to 1 minus x by 2. So v equal to 4 minus 2x. So this is the equation. Now what is the acceleration? We know acceleration equal to v dv by dx. We know the acceleration is this. So what is dv by dx here? Dv by dx equal to minus 2. Acceleration 4 is 0, minus 2. Now v equal to what? 4 minus 2x into dv by dx, that is minus 2, which is equal to minus 8 plus 4x. So this is the acceleration with x equation. This is the equation of a and x. So this is a straight line, this is a straight line. Now a minus 4x equal to minus 8. So a by minus 8 plus x by 2 equal to 1. This is also intercept form. Now we can easily draw the a versus x graph. A versus x graph. A by minus 8. Minus 8 equal to, suppose here minus 8, and x equal to 2 here. So the graph will be this way. This way. So this is a versus x graph. This is a versus x graph. One problem I will discuss. Suppose a body is projected. A body is projected with velocity u, upward direction. Find its xt graph and VT graph, XT graph and VT graph. If we take upward direction is positive, x, upward direction is positive plus x, and upward direction V also positive. Upward direction is positive, upward velocity is positive. If we take, then what is the xt and vt graph of this particle? A body is projected with velocity u, find its xt graph and vt graph. The particle body rebounds up to 2 times, and velocity decreases by some amount when it strikes the ground. That is, a body is projected upwards, so this, and when it strikes the ground the velocity decreases. Now this, so this is the, now we have to draw its xt graph and vt graph. So what is the equation of x when we project upward? The equation becomes x equal to ut minus half gt square. So this is the equation, x equal to ut minus half gt square. Now what is the equation? This is the equation of parabola. So this is the equation of parabola. G is negative, so the graph will be, this is x, this is t, graph will be parabola graph. Here projectile motions graph will be projectile graph this way. This is the projectile graph, because coefficient of t square is negative, so its opening will be towards the negative x-axis, that is vertically downward. Now this is the equation, this is the graph. Now it rebounds 2 times, so another graph we have to draw. This velocity decreases, this, so this is the xt graph. Now what is the vt graph? If a body is projected with velocity u and g, what is the vt graph? V equal to u minus gt. So vt graph will be like this way. When t equal to 0, v equal to u, upward velocity, so graph will be like this way. And this is the time of flight, v equal to 0, this v equal to 0, t equal to u by g, so this is u by g, and this is time, this is 2 by g, and when it strikes the ground the velocity is remain same, but its direction is opposite of this. So the direction is opposite, negative direction, that is after maximum height, direction of velocity is opposite. So after maximum height, here maximum, at this time body attains the maximum height, after this velocity is negative, and this is the time of flight, and velocity, again this velocity is u, initial velocity, and this velocity also minus u, and the acceleration g equal to negative, acceleration g negative here, because towards vertical direction acceleration is negative, and the slope also, v, we know vt graph, slope of vt graph is negative, the slope is also greater than, angle is greater than 90 degrees, so slope also negative. So this will be the vt graph. When a body is projected upward, this will be the vt graph. Student, this is the end of the class today. To get such type of video, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.